Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and today's topic is eye floaters. And people are worried about eye floaters. I will try to tell you as much as possible what eye floaters are, where they come from and how to deal with them. What are eye floaters? Eye floaters can look like dots, circles, sticks, some worms. In general, it can be some detached micropieces from the eyes, the result of myopia or farsightedness. Spasmodic eye muscles keeps eyes squeezed and under pressure, and due to constant pressure, blood circulation can get worse. Blood clots pieces can appear due to damage to retinal vessels. They're very fragile compared to normal one. It is clear that these problems are blood flow damage. Spasmodic eye muscle pressure must be eliminated. With myopia, the eyeball is stretched out forward and he's like a cucumber with a sharp edge, with a pressure zone in the middle of the eyeball. Wearing glasses wouldn't help, eyeball pressure not going anywhere. This elongated eye will remain under the pressure of a spasm, just with the glasses. It gives a clear picture, but it doesn't solve a problem of eye pressure on the retina. These pieces of blood that got inside the eyeball sometime will float there. There is nothing wrong here. Eye floaters will float there until it dissolves. So there's nothing wrong with that. If it's just a few of them and they're not cover your vision and do not interfere with looking, no need to do anything with them. Eye floaters can be made up of thin fiber of protein in a such special collagen protein nature, and there is nothing wrong with that. A modern person doesn't exercise his eyes, and he doesn't have such condition where his eyes must actively move. Most of the time, just stare at a close distance, and as a result, this eye mechanism doesn't work properly, and accordingly, eye degradation occurs over the years. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss out the discount, the link will be in the description below. The condition of the eyes is visually passive. If you are not a fisherman, for example, a fisherman who is always on the lookout for something around. For a regular person, there are no condition for the active work of the eyes, and with age, therefore, it can occur eye degradation and some protein clots can occur. Its enzymes can stick together and in general then they can become eye floaters with low visual behavior. How to heal eye floaters? Eye floaters can be removed by increasing eye activity. The activity of the eyes needs to be increased. If you regularly will do simple eye exercises, you will improve the work of the eyes. If eye floaters are not that big, just don't worry about them. If you look into the sky and see these floaters move somewhere, usually eye floaters didn't bother anyone, just ignore them. You can examine your eyes in ophthalmology clinics because it's not clear what the nature of your eye floaters is. If there are simple harmless eye floaters, which is 99% exist in one form or another, don't be afraid of these eye floaters. There is nothing wrong. If it's farsightedness or myopia, it's of course necessary to get rid of myopia or farsightedness.